Do it again. Teacher.
Yo! Ready? Step, twist. Yo!
Gosh.
Yo! It's just going like this. Yo! Gabby, if you want to do it like this, do it like this. Go, step, twist. You don't have to go all the way, but you can go like this. Okay? Something's screaming. What? Something's screaming at me, Giselle. Something's screaming. Why? Something's screaming at you. His name is Liam.
His name is Liam.
Say Liam. Can you do it? Let me see you do it. Just do it like this, look. If you can't do it all the way, just go like this. Okay? Just do it like that. Okay. You okay, Gabby? Yes. Hello. His foot's falling and... Okay, just go. Gabby. Stay here. Look how she has. Liam can do it. Hi. Come on. Okay, then just bring this leg right there. And then stand up. I'm gonna try. Do it. Try again. Yeah, Liam, you do it. You okay? Yes, I'm okay. You do it. Do it again.